Hello guys, today I will be trying to fix this emergency light. So let's get started. First of all, charge the light for about 5 to 8 hours. After charging, the second mode seems to be working, but the first one is still not working. So let us open and see what the problem is. This was very difficult to open, so I used WD-40 to loosen the screws. And after that, I used a soldering iron and touched it on the screw so that it becomes easier to remove. As you all know that heating the screw expands the iron as well as melts the plastic. To my surprise, it actually worked. Now try this for the other screws. After opening, this is the inside. As you can see, the second mode was also faulty. Let us check the board. Well, the board seems fine. Let us clean the board. Before cleaning it, just disconnect the battery just as a precaution. Here I am cleaning the board with isopropyl alcohol. Check whether the problem is in the battery or not. We can see that the voltage readings are also correct. If you don't have a multimeter, you can just check it with an LED, and just to be sure, connect a resistance in series to avoid the LED from being damaged. I am connecting the battery's terminal. I am also using a shrink pipe for better insulation. After looking at the board, this resistor seems to be damaged. I replaced it with a wire, as seeing at the resistance it has low resistance value of about 20 ohm, so the wire can also be used. If you are going to do this, just replace it with a resistor of the same value. Also, if you look at the board, it was also designed very bad. As you can see, there are no components where the components are supposed to be. I connected these 2 points and luckily the light started working. Well, I used trial and error method to find the points. If you are new to this, I suggest you not to try this because making random connections might damage or even can be dangerous. It was also very difficult to find the fault as there were short circuits on the board itself as connections. For my safety, I did not touch this part of the board where the 220 volt AC current was passing. For me, by fixing this, using this method was much better than discarding the light. Here I am just filling the battery with water. If possible, use distilled water, as this emergency was idle for a very long time. I am only adding 5 drops in each. After that, close it and charge it. As you can see, it has been fixed. The light works at full intensity for 2 hours and then the intensity reduces and it works for more than 4.5 hours. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.